Hey guys, and welcome back to Mad About Skin. In today's video, I want to share with you a skincare serum that's going to elevate your vitamin C game. It's going to boost the levels of collagen and elastin production for some great anti-aging benefits and get you glowing to the gods. It's one of those products that when you look at the formulation, you think, yes, ticking so many boxes and could really help to streamline down your skincare routine, minimizing the total number of products you actually need. Step in this product, which is the Vegreen Vitamin C Ampule. Now, I've actually had the pleasure of trying this out before it launched, and I'm now on bottle number 2 of it. And I can tell you, this is something really special when it comes to vitamin C, but also anti-aging all in one. I want to explain in this video the reasons why. Sit back, relax, let's talk a game-changing new serum. Now, before we delve into this video, just that quick reminder to do all that YouTubey stuff if you haven't already. If you could reach down and give this video a big thumbs up and a like. This is honestly the best way of supporting me as a content creator, because the more likes a video gets, the more widely YouTube will distribute it on its platform. So it's just a great way of getting the message out there about this amazing new skincare serum. And from the bottom of my heart, thank you all so much for the love, kindness and support you show me every single day. Now, without further ado, shall we cut that waffle and delve straight on in? So, a vitamin C serum, nothing new, nothing innovative, nothing game-changing there in and of itself. There are so many different vitamin C serums on the market, and I've tried loads and been really impressed with them. Vitamin C is a holy grail for a lot of people out there, and for good reason. It's a powerful antioxidant, which means it's going to protect the skin against free radical damage. It's also a great luminosity booster. It can bring back the radiance and a little glow to the complexion. If used consistently, it can fade hyperpigmentation and discoloration. And I think one of the emerging things that people understand about vitamin C is, again, if you use it consistently, it can boost the levels of collagen and elastin production for some really great anti-aging benefits. With all that going on, it's not hard to see why just about everyone reaches for a vitamin C serum in their skincare routine, but they're not all created equal. And I shared in a recent video what ingredients to pair and layer alongside your vitamin C serum for maximum benefit. I'm going to leave a link to that video up there. Well, one of the key things I always suggest to people to layer alongside vitamin C is centella asiatica, Cica. Now, the reason for that is twofold. First and foremost, that centella can actually calm and soothe the skin. So if you find your ascorbic or L-ascorbic acid serum a little bit on the sensitizing side, then using a Cica serum straight after will just calm everything down and restore that equilibrium. But I also want to refer back to a couple of studies which have started to show that if you pair vitamin C in its pure form, ascorbic or L-ascorbic acid, alongside centella asiatica, it actually quadruples the amount of additional collagen produced versus just using that vitamin C alone. This is the game changer, because without having to spend a whole lot additional coin, you can quadruple the effectiveness of your anti-aging skincare routine with just one extra product. So for the past 6 to 12 months, I've been combining my vitamin C with a Cica serum. I love the one from Vegreen. I also love the one from PSA Skin. Really great options for getting that maximum collagen production going. Having to use 2 serums side by side to get the benefits of both of these ingredients isn't the most convenient. You know, you have to spend your coin on 2 separate products. You also have to apply them one after the other, waiting a little time for each one to be absorbed. So it can, prolong your overall skincare routine and the time it takes. However, I was always happy to invest that coin and that time because I wanted the benefits of using centella and vitamin C alongside each other for that great anti-aging boost. I always longed though for a one and done style serum that had a meaningful concentration of vitamin C in its pure form and a good dose of centella asiatica. And finally, the prayers were answered when this product emerged. This, like I said, is the Vegreen Vitamin C Ampule. And Vegreen reached out to me around 2 months ago and said, did I want to have an exclusive first look of this product before it launched? Of course, I jumped at the chance because I've tried a lot of Vegreen products and I've always been really impressed with their formulation. They're a cruelty-free brand, which really matters for me. They offer really effective but also vegan formulations for people living a plant-based lifestyle, and they tend not to overpromise. A lot of brands overpromise and underdeliver. With Vegreen, I tend to look at their marketing and you know exactly what you're going to get. So they sent me this product, then I took a look at the ingredients list, and then I got truly excited because in this, there's just a wonderful formulation and it's got so many different benefits that I want to break apart in this section of the video. Let's first start about that key ingredient, vitamin C. Well, you've actually got 2 forms of vitamin C in here. You've got a 14% concentration of ascorbic acid, vitamin C in its pure form, and you've also got a 6% concentration of a stabilized derivative form of vitamin C. This is great because by having these 2 in combination, you're going to get maximum results, but also minimize the risk of any side effects, the sensitivity, the irritation. Were they to just use a 20% concentration of ascorbic acid, I think you'd experience a lot more stinging, prickling, and sensitivity sensitivity to the skin versus this more complex formulation, which I'm definitely on board with. What makes this stand out though is you've got a really good dose of centella asiatica extract in here too. This is wonderful because you can get the benefits of that anti-aging boost to collagen elastin in just one serum. There are a couple of other serums that exist on the market that do have vitamin C and centella side by side, but they're never in good concentration, so you're missing out on some of the potency and some of the enhanced benefits. In this, you get a good dose of both of those key ingredients, which is why I think this can be genuinely like a one and done approach to your collagen boosting. Vitamin C, that centella side by side, all in one formulation. I think the real beauty of this serum is it contains just 8 ingredients, so you're getting all that wonderful benefit without having to have so many ingredients in there acting as fillers or fragrances or colorants. None of that. It's just a basic, simple formula that's been really well thought through to maximize the benefits that you're going to see, and I am all on board with that. Like I said, it's vegan, it's cruelty-free, and it's available at a ridiculously drugstore and affordable price point. So if you're someone that's pairing a Cica serum and a vitamin C serum side by side, you could halve the cost of those 2 serums in isolation by just buying this instead, and that's definitely what I'm going to do going forward. This pairing is, like I said, got some data and some studies behind it to show just how effective it is, and my skin absolutely drinks this up. The packaging is really great too. So first and foremost, it's all recycled and recyclable, and they're one of the few brands that actually tells you what each component is made out of. So if you're living here in the UK or in the European Union, where there's different recycling facilities for different forms of plastic and stuff, you need to know what it's made out of, and they tell you on the box, which obviously more brands really need to start to do so we can cut down on our waste. I love that about Vegreen. So you get it in this really nice pump dispenser, and it actually comes with the pump separate with an airtight cap on the product itself. Great for stability and preserving the shelf life. You then take the cap off, put the pump on, and it dispenses with one pump just the right amount. Now if you see how that goes on, it's a beautiful gel-like formulation. It goes on with a slight warming to the skin, which is pretty normal for an active form of vitamin C like ascorbic acid, but it sinks in without a trace. Because of some of the other ingredients, it's actually quite hydrating and nourishing for the skin. So if you find a vitamin C serum that you're using to be a little stripping and drying, maybe give this a go, because like I say, it definitely adds to the hydration in the skin rather than detracting from it. After about 20 seconds, you might want to just give it a further massage just to make sure it's all worked fully into the skin, and you get a lot less irritation, sensitivity and prickling than maybe you would expect from a 20% vitamin C concentration. I think all that's down to that beautiful pairing of the active form of vitamin C with that vitamin C derivative. I've been using this for the past 2 months. Like I said, I've definitely noticed a boost to the glow game and the luminosity of my skin. My hyperpigmentation is fading, and you know what? I believe in all that studies and the data that shows using centella vitamin C together is the way forward in an anti-aging skincare routine. Thanks to Vegreen, we can now get a one and done serum, no faffing, streamline everything down, and this is the one that I would definitely recommend. You need to be mindful, as I said earlier, that some products that claim to have vitamin C and centella in them side by side don't always have meaningful concentration, so you might not be getting the maximum benefit. You definitely do with this, and I've been so impressed. This video isn't sponsored. I probably should have said that earlier on, so sorry about that, but I don't do sponsored content here on the channel. No coin has passed my palms. However, I'm always happy to fangirl about a product that I think offers something a little different. If you're already using your centella and your vitamin C side by side, maybe consider switching to this, where you can get it in a one and done style product, cut the overall length of your skincare routine, and save some coin at the same time. This is a new launch which is being rolled out across the globe gradually, so I've left some links in the description box below. If you use there, it'll tell you whether it's in stock wherever in the world you happen to be right now. But if it's not, don't worry, over the next month it will be rolling out, and I promise you, this is definitely worth the wait. This is going to become a holy grail fixture in my own skincare routine, and I'm so glad that finally I feel like we've had our demands answered. Well, we've got a product that contains 2 of my favorite anti-aging ingredients that are going to work in synergy with each other to boost the overall benefits of just using one of or each of them in isolation. I would love to know your thoughts, feelings and opinions, so sound off in the comment section below, wherever you are in the world, guys. Stay safe, stay well, and glow to the gods. Take care. Bye.